Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Olá a todos. Boa tarde. Mais dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Hoje eu tenho 20 euros e são os números 11, 12. Okay? Obviously it's a matching number game. Okay? Let's start. Vamos começar. Can I use Eternity Luck Scratcher? Thank you, California, every time she wins. Okay. So we're looking for this. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. This size, 33, 29, 28, 11. 30, 22, 43, 8, 39, 29, 42, 38, 35, 19. I thought I have 19, guys. No. 13, 44, 34, 27, 31, 37, 17, a lot of sevens, 26, 23, 24 y 12. So the first ticket obviously is a loser. Okay, so not a winner. Let's go to ticket number 11. Okay, so we're looking for 19, 39, 43, 21, 44. Ah, I found the 2x, guys! Nice! Woohoo! 2x. 16, 32, 38, 42. I started with ticket number 12 and this is ticket number 11. Okay, 42, 14, 18 that I needed in the first ticket is here, 34, 35, 11, 13, 29, 28, 26, 36, 17, now 23, now I scratch so fast, 33, that I needed in the first ticket, 37 y 27. 2x. Come on. But I think I know already how much is this because the letters. 2x 10. Nice! I got back all the money in the session, guys. For me, if I get back my money, it's a win. It's a good win. I saw on Facebook there are a lot of people who won big wins in this ticket. So today I bought it for the hope to win big. But okay, for me this is a win, guys. If I don't lose my money, I don't give donation. For me this is a win. Yeah, it's good to get back your money because on gambling, 80% of the time, 80 to 90% of the time, you don't get back your money. Okay, so for me, this is good. Getting back my money is good. I knew that it was a winner because I saw the letter E. Okay, so I got back my money. It's good. I didn't lose any money today. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Check our channel, guys. From California, Filipino American Eternity Lock Scratcher. Okay. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.